Welcome to Indianapolis. Welcome to the 2024 National Truck Driver Championships. You made it to the show. Look at all these people. They know what I know. Your journey to this floor is exemplary. What you've accomplished is testament for everything that this industry is about. Your contributions are unmatched. You are the glue, the backbone of this economy, the heartbeat of America.
Everybody wants to come to this event. Everybody wants to be here. Being here, one of the 422 drivers, you're the top drivers in the country.
You got #1 people from every state. They put in the work and put in the time and the effort to get to be #1.
It's the best of the best in our industry. You know, Nationals is it. And what better place to display it than here?
From Old Dominion Freight Line, Robert Crowder. From Old Dominion Freight Line, Caden Schultz.
Second place winner in tank is Glenn Captain Kirk.
The competition is just amazing. And not only the competition, it's the camaraderie, the people that I've met over the years and the friends that I have. It doesn't matter what company they work for, we're all here together for safety.
Good luck today. Celebrate your achievements. Cheer on your competitors as they climb to the top. You made it to the show. Don't ever forget it. I'm going to see you all back here next year.